What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm just heading back from Katie's Cars and Coffee here in Great Falls. Saw some real cool cars. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the Type R and my experience with it for the past month or so. I'm about to hit the 900 miles mark, so I haven't driven it as much as I would have liked, but just want to give my opinion on it for the past month. Was it worth it for the price I paid? I would say so. I mean, again, right, I paid $51,000 out the door with the $4,500 markup. Is the experience worth it? I think yes. Would I do it again? Yes, I think so. Mostly because the car is still selling or being sold for 10K over at some places, and even then some places are still getting 20K over. So it's kind of crazy market that we're in. I still think this car is worth $50,000, honestly. The car went on Cars and Bids and Bring a Trailer and topped out at $50,000, so I think I got a pretty decent deal on it at $48,800. A lot of people at Cars and Coffee commented on the car, and they were like, hey, it's a pretty good price. It's a decent price, I think. Every time I drive this car, it brings so much joy. The shifter is great, the clutch feels great. There is so much power in the car that it's kind of dangerous. This is my most powerful car ever that I've owned, and I can hit speeds on the highway that are that would put me in jail. So it's dangerous. The car is very planted. You would know this car was front wheel drive the way that it drives. Like I'm going through Georgetown Pike right now. We're about to hit some curves, but man, the way this thing drives, how it feels, the steering feel, the weight, it is immense. And there's just so much to go with. The seats are very nice. They hug you very well during corners. Visibility is great. The wing does not obstruct my rear view at all, which is a big plus. Okay, we're about to go through a few turns here. Immense power. Takes corners so well. My goodness. It's so planted. It turns well, it steers well. I have no complaints about this car, the way it drives. Are there things that this car could improve on? Of course, yes. So more modifications, more upgrades are coming soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you stay subscribed to see all the upgrades that I'll be doing to this car. At first I wanted to keep this car stock, but the way it is stock, it's a great car. It could be better. It could be so much better. As a daily, this thing is perfect. It has enough room to haul people. It has enough room to haul stuff. On the highway at cruising speed, it is comfortable enough. If you put comfort suspension mode on. So I don't really have any complaints besides the tires being a little bit too noisy, but we'll fix that in the upcoming weeks or months with a wheel and tire upgrade. What wheels? We'll see. Should I have waited for the Integra Type S? I don't think so. Only because I feel like the Type S would drive similarly to this one, just maybe a bit more amped, has more creature comforts like heated seats, heated steering wheels maybe. But I don't think I'd end of the Type S from the leaked pictures. Not a big fan of. I mean, I like the taillights of the Civic better. So, was the Type R worth the rush? I think so. If I had waited for the Type S, you know, maybe there's more production numbers. Maybe it will cost, you know, the same. No markups. Maybe at MSRP. Well, who knows? It's all in the future, right? We'll see how the Type S compares to the Type R. Maybe I'll swap. Who knows? It's in the cards. If it drives better, if it sounds better, if it looks better, we'll see. But right now, for all intents and purposes, the Type R does the job for me. I bought it for a purpose. It is fulfilling that purpose. So I am happy, extremely happy with my purchase. If you have a chance to buy the Type R at a good deal, for a good deal, which is what I think is 5,000 markup and under, you're all set. I don't think you lose too much value from it. So if you can find those deals, I would hop on it. If you can afford it, go ahead. 10K over, now we're starting to ask the questions. But overall, 5,000 under,